How to make and create data infographic on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create data infographic easy and fast. First thing, go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for infographic. Click on the first option until it takes you to this page. Now go right here on this options, scroll down until you find data infographic. Click on see all and choose a template. Right here you have many options. For example, this one looks so professional. As you can see, you can edit everything from here, from the text and everything. As you can see, it's very easy, and after you finish editing, all what you have to do is go to here on the share option and click on download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.